So, good day, ma'am. Midterm coverage. So, what need to be proved? Litigation matter does not be admitted without need for evidence. Judicial notice based on the maximum what is no need not be proved. Hence, when the rule is invoked, the court will dispense the presentation of evidence judicially recognize the fact. So, nga ko na sa judicial notice is dili na makinahanglan ng korte na mangaya pa ng evidence if yon prove na sa ila. So, example yan like kuan yon yung kibali like example yung bagong tuig or Pasko dili na ako mag-present ng evidence if di na ako mag-present ng evidence kay mismo sila nakasayod din sila na mga panghitabo or mga okasyon. So, judicial notice is the recognizance of certain facts which judge may properly take and act on without proof because they already know them. So, malagi nga di ko na sa judicial notice, yan. Di na ko need magkuhan ng mga evidence kay hibaon na mismo ang judge yun na mga pangitabo. So, purpose of judicial notice. So, number 1, save time. Number 2, save effort, labor. Number 3, save expenses in securing and introducing evidence. So, number 1, makasave ko kuno ng time para di na ka mahasol. Number 2, save effort. So, para di na ka kuno mo ito, di na ka mahasol, di na ka kuhan yung magkapoy-kapoy pa. Then, save expenses. So, di na ka makagasto pa ng mga hamok pa na yung mga himuunon or gastuhonon para da lang maka-present ka na yaon na evidence which is yaon na daan, hibaon na daan ang yaon judge. So, judicial notice with mandatory court shall take judicial notice without the introduction of evidence. Existence of states, the political history, forms of government and symbol nationality, the law of nation and admiralty and maritime courts of the world and their seals, the political constitution in Philippines, the history, the official acts of legislative, executive and judicial department of the national government of the Philippines, the law of nature and the measure of time and the geographical division. So, judicial notice when this discretionary court may take judicial notice of matters which are often following. So, public knowledge, capable and questionable demonstration, or to be known to judge because of their judicial function. So, public knowledge, a common and general knowledge must be authoritatively stated, do not doubtful or certain. So it must be known to be the limit of jurisdiction of the court. So, sa capable question and demonstration, field of professional and specific knowledge. So, say, ought to be known the judge because of their judicial function. So, judicial notice versus judicial knowledge. Judicial knowledge of the court, judicial knowledge of the judge. So, the judicial notice when hearing necessary during the trial court in own initiative or on a request of a party may announce the intention to take judicial notice of any matter, allow the parties to be heard thereon. So, ang judicial, ang judge kuno is, ang court kuno during trial is mag-request ang party na mag-announce ng intention para makatake ng judicial notice. Admission. Any statement of fact against by a party, his interest of unprovable to the conclusion for which he contends or inconsistent. So, ang adik ko na is admission is to admit the fact which does not involve acknowledgement or of guilt or liability. So, confession, the discreet declaration of an accused acknowledges guilt by the offense charged. Judicial admission is yun verbal or right by made by party of the proceeding in the same case. So elements of judicial admission, the same must be made by a party to the case. Number two, the admission to be judicial must be made in course of the proceeding in the same case, do not require particular from for an admission. So res inter alios acta enteri resonant debate things done between stranger ought not to injure those who are not parties to them. Branches of admission of a third party and number two, similar acts of evidence by third party. General rule, the rights of a party cannot be prejudiced by an act, declaration, or admission, except admission by co-partner or agent, admission by conspirator, admission by previous. So number two, similar acts, custom use, like implied admission, admission by silence. So confession, mayan to pag-confess na imo gibuhat. The confession was more court which court legal proceeding, illegal extrajudicial when made outside the court cannot sustain conviction easily corroborated by the evidence of corpus delicti. Corpus delicti, the body of the crime, the actual commission of the charge, the fact that a crime has been actually committed. Sa extrajudicial confession, extrajudicial confession. So, interlocking confession, general forms of evidence, objective evidence. So, objective evidence also known as RDEP, real evidence, demonstrative evidence, auto reference, and physical evidence. Requisite in the admissibility of object evidence. The object must be relevant. The object must be competent. The authentication must be made by a competent witness. And the object has been formally offered in evidence. Authentication of object, the witness have been capacity to identify the object as the very thing involved. So, isa kuno ka witness, may capacity to identify ang object na involved. So, he must actual and personal knowledge of exhibit he is presenting for admission. So, iya ko no personal knowledge na exhibit para makapresent sa iya i-present through admission. So, categories of objective evidence, unique evidence, evidence with unique, non-unique. So, unique evidence is rapidly identifiable marks. So, amo ko na siya unique or tinuod na object. Then din isa, B, object made unique. Ang object ko no is gihaod ang itong evidence na pinakauna. Then non-unique, dili identify or dili parehas sa unique. So documentary evidence considering any material later by words. So may siya documentary evidence through writing. 2010 amended by 1999 revised rule on evidence documenting photographs of any material containing sound number. So, sa pagkatapos sa 19 kuno, sige amend na 1989 na revised rule of evidence. So, ano kuno is pwede na siya mag-record, write, photographs if any material, letter, words, sounds, number, figure, symbols, or equivalent, or the mode of writing expression. So,